T-shirt chick.
I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be part 2 of me sewing my first project, or doing my first sewing project. And if this is your first time watching, my name is Sin, aka T-shirt chick, and I do t-shirt videos showing you how to start a t-shirt business. And I am just now getting started learning how to sew, so there will be sewing videos coming real soon. And in this video, I just kind of pick up from where I left off last time. I was working at 1 a.m. in the last video. So in this video, I am actually getting help, and I was actually sewing wrong in the first video. So later in this video, I'm going to show you what mistakes I made, and I actually did learn a lot from the mistakes that I made. So things will be better, and I will be getting better as I go. And I don't know if any of y'all are thinking about learning how to sew. If you are, type "I want to learn how to sew" down below this video in the description box. And you know, you can always follow me on Instagram at TshirtChick TV, and I have more videos coming. And do not forget about the giveaway that's gonna be in November, but you have to be a member to do that. But I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and let the video talk for the rest of the time. See y'all soon. Oh, goodness gracious alive.
You messed up something?
I was over here, had my foot on the pedal.
Tell you what, it won't take long if you stop that. I can promise you that.
Oh, I'm out on my bobbin empty. So I gotta unthread the machine.
To thread your bobbin? Yep.
Okay.
Unless you happen to have another, well, now you still probably gotta undo it. I ain't familiar with the new machine, to tell you the truth.
Cause it just go with this up here. So if
Well,
I had
you may
another
not
roll
have-
of thread, I wouldn't have to. Possibly.
No, there's another roll of thread.
Let me see then. Let me see, y'all. We gonna see. Alright, squad. Finally, this is the first one that's done right here. So it's just a little apron for little kids. You put it on here and you can tighten it, tie it in the back. It still got a few little strings on it, but you know how we go. That's how it is. So you said just tie it in the back like this. I'm following my boss lady over there. I ain't gonna put on camera today because she be trying to steal the spotlight.
Baby, I don't want to be on camera with this project here. Just, you know, just how to knock the end for?
Why?
Just to keep it from slipping back through here.
Okay.
Since you didn't sew it down the middle, I was originally gonna say sew it straight in the middle, but since you're running short on time, just actually
Alright,
put
so
this way.
this what we doing. We stick this safety pin in the end of it. Some of y'all know this already, but if y'all beginners like me, y'all might not know this. But I know all y'all have got a hoodie string or a drawstring to your gym shorts or something, and y'all know how it go. Y'all know how it go. Let me see. Look, I did the first one good. Y'all distracted me. Let me see. Just go ahead and pull this one through. But this is my first sewing project. I haven't took any sewing classes really. Mama gave me like kind of a sewing class, but I felt like I was in trouble when she got finished, because she was like, and I ain't telling you no more. I thought I was gonna get a whooping. I had a bad flashback, a bad one, from one time back when I did something I ain't had no business. But now it's through, and we got the little apron right here. Nothing fancy, just a little simple something. Just a little simple something. And I'm probably not tying my knot the way she said to tie it. But the teacher ought not let the kids get the aprons until they get home. Let them take the aprons home so she won't have no problems with it. Alright, but I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to finish the rest of these up. It's 14 of them. I'm going to go ahead and finish them up. And I'll let y'all see at the end. Alright, squad. And I just ran off and left my doggone tripod at the house. But I'm going to try to show y'all and let y'all check out these aprons, the finished product of these aprons. So I ended up starting off at the house last night. And then I'm going to show y'all what I did with the first one and how I ended up being able to do them better. Okay, so let me find the first one that I did, if I can. Let me see. Okay, actually, I think my mom has fixed that one. I think she fixed it. Oh no, here it is. My bad. I thought she fixed it. Okay, so right here, this is the first one that I did. As you guys see, it's raggedy on the edges because I did not tuck the ends of it, as you see right there. But this is what it's looking like on the other side, and these are just aprons for a pre-K class. Like I was saying, they could use some ironing. I don't know. They'll probably be all right though, because it's a week, and that's what it's looking like right there. So when I did get better at doing it, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Let me find one of my best ones. Find one of my better ones. Let me see. Because I want y'all to see, because you know, this was my first time doing this, so some of them were not as good as others. Alright, so I'm just going to show y'all this one right here. Alright, so right here, you can see what it's looking like right there. And then when you turn it on the other side, that's what it's looking like. I did tuck it and everything like that. So, as you see, it came out alright. That's my first time. I got a lot of good practice in. I'll be doing some more sewing coming up. I do have some more projects coming up. So y'all stay tuned if y'all interested in the sewing videos, because I will have some stuff coming up. I see I missed the thread here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off. But yeah, I appreciate you watching. If you like the video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe if you're not. And follow me on Instagram at TshirtChick TV. And I'll see you in the next video. Prince Squad out.